Hello. That's the 10. Hello, hello. I realized something. So the the food I was gonna do, right? We have green here, and then the other food is this one. And is red. And so that's not gonna go well, I think, because like red green colorblind. It's not gonna go well at all. So I think what I need to do is I need a Yoinka shader. And add in colorblind options, which I don't know how to do. Well, I don't think so. Also, the CCO license, the CC0 license, is that completely... What is the limitations of that? Can I just yoink and we're done? Or do I need to do something different? Did I remember everything? I am live on YouTube. Nice. There are Fimshes. Nice. Because I did find a good shader, although I don't know how we add this. So if I okay, let's see if this works. So if I go to game, no, not to game, to main, can I create a new shader? So we don't really have a shaders thing, so we go new folder. This will be shaders. Create new script. No. Create new resource shader. Yes. Implement new shader. This will be a color blind shader. Mode will be a canvas item, I think. Sure. Great. And now, oh nice. Okay, sick. I'll just copy this then, and we'll just we'll just slap it in here. Okay, error, screen texture has been removed in favor of using hint screen texture with a uniform. To continue with minimal code changes, add uniform. Okay. Add uniform sampler to the screen texture and filter linear map near the top of your shader, like this. Is that not what it said to do? If I get rid of this again. Oh right. Uniform sampler screen texture. Oh, hang on. I did it wrong. Can I just copy this? Oh, I can just copy this. So we go copy and then paste. Okay, nice. But this is a canvas item. So if I go add child canvas item. Yeah. Because it's like, let's just add a control node here, and then how do I attach a shader to it? Material? Shader material? The shader is, no, not new shader, cancel. The shader is, yeah, the colorblind shader. And then if I get like 1 here, yeah, it doesn't do anything. Hint screen texture. Let me look that up. Godot hint screen texture. Screen reading shaders. Screen texture, screen UV. Oh yeah, this is fine. This is what it says to do. So screen texture. Like so. It's often designed to make a shader that reads from the same screen which it's writing through the API, such as OpenGL or DirectX. Make this very difficult because of hardware limitations. GPU are extremely parallel, blah blah blah. Work around this with a copy of the screen or part of the screen to the back buffer and then read it while drawing. Godot provides a few tools for making this process easy. I'm going to sleep. Good night. Have a good sleep. Can be used to obtain the UV relative to the screen for the current fragment. As the result canvas item of fragment shader can. Fragment shader results in invisible object because it only shows what lies behind. Shader type. Canvas item. This canvas item fragment shader results in an invisible object only because it shows what lies behind. Texture LOD is used as we want to read from the bottom map. If you want to read from a blurred version of the texture instead, you can increase to the third blah blah blah. Screen texture example. The screen texture can be used for many things, blah blah blah. Shader type, canvas item, blah. Behind the scenes, I don't care. Okay, photo image is the second sphere on the top right in the same sources. In 2D, this can be correct via a back buffer copy. Okay. Delete control node. We go back buffer copy create, and then just say viewport material shader material colorblind parameters. Wait, is it doing it here? I don't actually know. Do I just do like number 2 actually? Let me click play. Does it work once you're running the game? No. Also, where's that sound? I do not have the sound. Do we have issues? Oh yeah, here. Signal toggled is already connected to a given callable checkbox toggled in that object. What? Signal toggled. So checkbox, this one, is already connected to a given callable hbox container. Settings checkbox. Hang on, where's settings? Settings checkbox. Disable keyboard controller value change. Yeah, we're not connecting that, are we? I don't know what that means. I didn't think we need to worry ourselves with this right now. Game main link viewport rectangle disabled. We definitely don't want disabled. I don't think rectangle's very smart. Viewport would be ideal, but it doesn't do the things. If I make it 1 and go play. Wait, we don't have sound anymore. That's problematic. What if it is working? Hang on. If we open up the shader script. Oh wait, no, it would be shader editor here. We just go color red is equal to 1. We just make red always 1. Yeah, it doesn't do anything. Everything should be red flavored and it's not. Disconnect. Stop. What if we go, it is a rectangle? Does it work inside a rectangle? It doesn't seem to be. Because like even if we move this rectangle like right in the middle, click play. Yeah, okay. This is not doing what it should do. Save again. Click play. No. What if use parent material. Okay. I go delete. What if I put it inside of game? So I put it in here instead, because this has at child node, yeah, back buffer copy. And then we go like viewport material. Oops. Shader material. Colorblind shader. We go like number 2. Click play. Oh, it's not working. Is it because of this though? Save. If we save this. No, it's not because of that. My god. Yeah, server and client, they got no errors. So this checkbox toggle, why is this an issue? So this is under checkbox. So if we go scenes, util. Where's checkbox script? Wait, what? Check dependencies. View owners. Menu settings checkbox. Oh, here it is. Toggle mode. Emitted when the button was just toggled between pressed and normal states if only toggle mode is active. Is toggle mode active? Yeah, toggle mode is active. Unrelease. Hmm. Hmm. Time to disconnect non-existent connection. Oh wait, there's a different error. Attempt to disconnect from non-existent connection from timer. Food spawner. Food spawner. This one. Spawn delay timeout. Oh right, because we already disconnect this, right? Because we disconnect it here. Yeah, okay, that's fine. Small bug. Okay, this shader thing's not working right now. Game. Rectangle. So if I put this in the middle now, and then we click play. I don't know, is it changing? Okay, I need a way to... What if we go use parent material? Oh. Play. Yeah, on preset 2. Top level. Hmm. It should be working. Network signals, client network, settings. Value changed, visibility changed. Rest, update value. 48, yeah, update values. So we go into update values, which is here, and then 36, disable keyboard, update value. Okay, so disable keyboard, this one. Oh, it can, oh, okay, I see what happened. This should be, here, I think. Yeah. Does that fix my little error? It looks like it did. So we get rid of disabled control. It's not there anymore. Wait, yeah, it is. Disconnect. Still ticked. Still ticked. If I untick it, go return, click play, tick it again, untick it, go disconnect, settings. Hmm. No. Why does this not work? Wait, okay, new question. If I go delete here, let me have a look at the docs again. Screen reading. If I go back to main, uh, note for buffering currently displayed screen. The region defined in back buffer copy node is buffered to the region defined in the back buffer copy node is buffered with the contents of the screen it covers, or the entire screen according to copy mode. It can be accessed in the shader scripts using screen texture with hint screen texture. Since this inherits from node 2D and not control, anchors and margins won't apply to child control derived nodes. This can be problematic when resizing the window. Avoid this, add control derived nodes as siblings to a back buffer node instead of adding them as children. What? What does that mean? Editor settings, project settings. Like, if we go here and we go color is equal to color dot, let's say there is no red. Vector for red 001. So all of this should be red, and then we go here and we go add back buffer copy material. If I do canvas item, no. Shader material. Yeah, okay, it's all red here, which is fine. Use parent material. The parent canvas item is material that is used for this node's material. Yeah, I think this is what we need. It did not work. What if I put this as a child of game? It didn't work. Okay, I'm gonna look at some. Godot back buffer copy not working. How does this work? Well, this person has a video of it being used. So they have a node 2D, and then inside that they have a back buffered copy. Oh. Sending, yeah, Fimsh. Oh man, I'm trying to get a global post-processing buffer shader thing, but like it's complicated. Or more, it's not working how everyone says it works. Frustrating. Wait, so okay, what if I just delete this? We go to menu, and then I add it here. We go, yeah, back buffer copy, shader material, cancel, colorblind shader. Sure. Do I need to make it use the parent's material or just as a sibling? Wait, no, it still has all its colors. That's not good. What if I change it to viewport? Doesn't do shit. Wait, what if it needs to be like here, like in between, like before nodes? No. Uh, top level? Use parent and top level? Local to scene, what is this? If true, the resource is duplicated for each instance of all the scenes using it? No, 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 no. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with this. Because even if I do like a square, we'll just do like half the button here. Okay, it doesn't do shit. Okay, what if I add material here? What if I add it as a normal material to the control node? So we go shader item, colorblind shader. Say, click play. Yeah, it didn't do shit. Well, that's no fun. That's no fun. What if I add it to player, like right here? So we go add node back buffer copy, and then I'll put it like here. Shader material, quick load, this, save. I'll put it on 2, fuck it, press play. You know, it doesn't do shit. top level. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what's going on with this. I think I give up. I think I give up. Okay, let's just delete this. Okay, I think we give up. I think I give up on this because like it's not doing anything. Yeah, this is not helpful. Someone put an example up.
Wait, let me just ask because I don't want to interview that. He played yesterday. You still think you play the one was from this.
Sorry, I'm reading the nodes. Oh, very interesting, I know. Controls GD. There's a VBox container that has a shaded material as input where you can change the saturation and all that. That's fine. Image adjustment resource. Resource type is a shader. Okay. This is a quick example of how to set up screen space shaders in Godot 4. It was shaders imported, but they're free to use whatever. It is a canvas item. So we have, where is the shader? So they have external resource material, external resource script, box mesh, sub resource, shader material 3D, transform, canvas layer. Oh, they have a canvas layer, color rect. With, oh, okay. So if I go game, we go new child node, canvas layer, color rect, with a material, shader material, this shader. Oh yeah, the mirror is doing this. Wait, that's fine. Wait, that doesn't help us though. Because this just creates a thing in this corner, no? Because they never use a back buffer, right? So we make that white and then go back buffer copy, and then we give this one the material. Yeah, it doesn't do shit. Fuck. Yep, don't know. Don't know. I don't know. I don't think my brain is working today. Oh well. This person has it. What license is this though? MIT. What does it do? What does the plugin do? Color blindness material, view raw. Output color. So they have original color. Color RGB. Shaded type canvas item. That's what we have. Right? Yeah. They have render mode. The mode unshaded. Makes sense. Sampler 2D screen texture. Do I need it to be caps? Maybe this was my mistake. Hint screen texture filter linear MIP map. Let's go this. Hint ring. Oh, this should be one. Okay. Ooh. Color blindness 2D. Extends canvas layout. Type this. And what does this sit on there? Plugins, color my under as a new control node called color blindness under canvas layer. Create new canvas layer control into your scene. Specify the type. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. Game menu. Oh right, yeah, that's fine. Yeah, I don't know. I think I'm done. Yeah, it was gonna be a short stream anyway. Yo. Shortest stream of 2026. That's okay. That's okay. We'll get more done tomorrow, I think. Mm, 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 mm. Ching ching.